Hi, this is Ron Nutter and welcome to another edition of Tech Bytes product reviews with Ron Nutter. For those of you that have 3D printers or are thinking about one, this is a filament that I wanted to show you because it caught my eye. I mean, you can, as with anything, you can spend as much on something as you want to, but this one was no muss, no fuss. It's transparent, and I've already got some projects planned for it. And this is something that comes in a nice box. It's in vacuum sealed packaging, comes with a package of Deskinol, even comes with a clip to go on the reel so that when you do take it off, or if you take it off before it's empty on your 3D printer, that it can also keep it from unwinding all over the place. So I thought that was a nice touch. This one gives every appearance that it's going to do what I need, and the next time you're looking for a filament for your 3D printer, give this one a look, and I think you just may be surprised with what you find that it will do for you.